the last samurai didn't fall in a glorious final victory. They fell in a war they could never win. In 1877, Japan stood at a crossroads. The Meiji Restoration had transformed the nation. Factories rose, railways spread, and a modern army armed with rifles replaced the sword. For centuries, samurai were the soul of Japan. Now, they were becoming obsolete. At the center of this storm stood Saigo Takamori, once a hero of reform, now its greatest critic. As the government stripped samurai of status and banned their blades, resentment grew, especially in Satsuma. When officials tried to seize weapons, rebellion ignited. Thousands followed Saigo, marching toward Tokyo, believing honor could still shape the future. But at Kumamoto Castle, reality struck. Rifles and artillery shattered every charge. Steel could not defeat gunpowder. Defeated and surrounded at Shiroyama, the samurai made their final stand. They charged not for victory, but for meaning. Saigo, wounded, chose death over surrender. With him, the Satsuma Rebellion ended, and so did the age